Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to your best wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, knowing how to securely move your assets is crucial for protecting your investments. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Coinbase account set up and verified. In 2025, Coinbase has some new security features, like enhanced two-factor authentication, so double-check that everything's enabled to keep your funds safe. Once you're logged in, head over to your dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say you're moving Bitcoin or Ethereum. Just click on the asset in your portfolio. Next, you'll need the wallet address from your best wallet. This could be something like MetaMask, Ledger, or whatever top-tier wallet you're using in 2025. Open your wallet app or website, generate a new receive address if needed, and copy it carefully. Remember, one wrong character can send your crypto into the void, so triple-check for accuracy. Now, back in Coinbase, go to the Send or Withdraw section. Paste your wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the network fees. In 2025, fees might be lower thanks to advancements like Layer 2 solutions, but always confirm to avoid surprises. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a final verification prompt. Make sure to approve it only if everything looks good. After that, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Keep an eye on your best wallet for the incoming transaction. Once it's confirmed, you're all set. Your crypto is now in your personal wallet, giving you full control. A quick word of advice: always use the correct network for your transfer, like Ethereum's mainnet for ERC20 tokens, to prevent any issues. And never share your private keys or wallet details. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you next time.